Hi everyone, I'm Eric, and I am the Director of Exhibits for CuriOdyssey. Like many of you, I'm stuck at home. Fortunately, I have an entire workshop here at my house. What do I do when I'm here at home? I build things. What do I do when I'm at CuriOdyssey? I build things. So, I thought we could take a look at building some things together. This is just an introductory video, but I thought we could take a look at one fun little gadget that I have on the workbench today. So this is a 3D printer. Not like a lot of them, but this is actually a 3D printing pen. It's kind of like a pen that lets me draw in 3D space, so let's give it a try. Still not the greatest at this. Ooh, drawing a line in 3D. That looks good. Let's see how we did. All right. Maybe another one. Maybe coming off here. Now, if you don't like one of the lines you draw with this 3D printer, there is an eraser. It looks like this. So if I don't like one line, it's erased. We're going to take a look at some projects, some classic science experiments, and I don't know, we'll build some fun stuff. So again, thanks for watching, and please help us creating science, exhibits, and zoo programs you can enjoy at home with a donation today. There's that link. Thanks for chipping in.